Hi, it's another terrific Tuesday and a great time to bring you all the updates in the world of sports. Today we go through the Ghana Premier League, the English Premier League and all the other European leagues and some other sports that we'll be looking at as well. But before that, let's take this break and we'll be right back. Legon City's head coach Bashir Hayford has accused match officials of poor officiating following their defeat to Brecum Chelsea. The Royals suffered a 2-1 defeat at the Brecum Golden City in matchday 18 games. According to Hayford, the referees were threatened by the home fans and that led into some bad calls from the referee in the game. From the Ghana Premier League, we switch on to the English Premier League. And let's do it. Everton and their manager Carlo Ancelotti has really dropped points after late Crystal Palace equalizer last night in the Premier League. James Rodriguez scored on his return from injury, but the home side were denied the win thanks to a late goal from Michy Batshuayi. The draw left Everton 8th in the Premier League with 47 points, 4 points behind 5th place Chelsea, who have played a game more. Let's go through some of the results that went on last night in both in the English Premier League and the La Liga. But first of all, in the English Premier League, we already spoke about Everton drawing with Crystal Palace 1-1. Wolves also at the Molineux lost to West Ham United 3-2. And in La Liga, Barcelona won 1-0 against Real Valladolid. Let's go into the UEFA Champions League now. New Jurgen Klopp says Liverpool are not on a revenge mission against Real Madrid after their 2017-2018 Champions League final defeat in Kiev. The teams will go head-to-head for the first time since the 2018 final in Kiev, where Mohamed Salah suffered a shoulder injury following a controversial challenge by Sergio Ramos as Real claimed a 3-1 win. Still on Liverpool in the Champions League, and Diogo Jota is out to make a telling impact that helps Liverpool achieve their objectives between now and the end of the season. The Portugal international came off the bench at Arsenal on Saturday to score a brace and now hopes to leave his mark as the Reds kick off their Champions League quarter-final tie with Real Madrid tonight. Real Madrid's manager Zinedine Zidane has addressed the rumors linking Mohamed Salah with Real Madrid ahead of their Champions League quarter-final clash with Liverpool. Salah made headlines last week after admitting that he will be open to playing in Spain at some point in the future. The Reds forward is now being tipped to compete a switch to Santiago Bernabeu in the summer, but Zidane refused to have drawn on a potential move to the 28-year-old. Champions League fixtures will be happening tonight, and other games apart from Real Madrid versus Liverpool, there's another big fixture between Manchester City versus Borussia Dortmund. Also in the French Cup, we have AS Monaco versus Metz, and that will be happening also tonight. And then also we have stories from La Liga coming in, and Barcelona midfielder Philippe Coutinho is set to miss the rest of the 2021 season after undergoing surgery on his knee injury for the second time. Coutinho was a regular under Ronald Koeman in the first half of the campaign, but hasn't played since December due to some injuries, and which was caused by a serious meniscus problem operated on the following month. There was hope that the Brazilian will be back on the pitch in time to boost Barca's bid for domestic double, but the club have now confirmed the playmaker has had to go back under the knife. From football, we are going to NBA, and Kyrie Irving scored 40 points, including a final minute three-pointer to help the Brooklyn Nets fight back to beat the New York Knicks 114-112. Brooklyn lost key players James Harden after only 4 minutes with a hamstring problem and trailed by 10 points at halftime. Gary Trent Jr. drilled a buzzer beater from deep to lead the Toronto Raptors to a thrilling victory over the Washington Wizards in just a sit game with the team last night. And this is where we hit the buzzer on MX Break Sports. I am Selwyn Saki. Keep watching MX24.